To make money on Fiverr as a musician, begin by creating a captivating profile that highlights your musical expertise, experience, and unique style. Clearly define the services you offer, such as composing, recording, mixing, or providing musical lessons. Build a comprehensive portfolio showcasing your skills, including samples of your work. Set competitive prices for your services based on your skill level and the complexity of the tasks. Create different packages to cater to various client needs, offering options for customizations and revisions. Use descriptive and keyword-rich gig titles and descriptions to enhance your visibility in Fiverr's search results. Prioritize excellent communication with clients by responding promptly to inquiries and providing regular updates on the project's progress. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews, as these reviews significantly impact your Fiverr ranking. Promote your musical services on social media platforms, music forums, and relevant communities to reach a broader audience. Consider offering promotional discounts or package deals to attract initial clients and build a positive reputation. By consistently delivering high-quality musical services, maintaining professionalism, and actively promoting your Fiverr gigs, you can establish a successful presence on the platform and generate a steady income as a musician.